Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with a descriptive adventure by Awesomesauce. So we have a new constraint here, so this will be pretty fun. New to me at least, and definitely new to the series. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules, which means in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we'll be placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. Our new constraint is called descriptive pairs. So we have pairs of digits outside the grid, and their location matters. They describe either the row or the column that they're outside of, and in that direction. And what we're saying is one of two things, or both. So let's pick one that's not anywhere near this given, so I don't accidentally start the puzzle, because I do think this is where you start. But anyway, so let's look at this. We either have a 2 in the 5th position, so we count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we either have a 2 here, that would fulfill this clue, or we have a 5 in the 2nd position. That would fulfill this clue. So you sort of pick one number to be the number that's placed and the other number to be the distance from the clue that it's placed. So if it's on the left side, that's the column number. If it's on the top, it's the row number. If it's on the right side, it's kind of inverted. So this 5, 6 here means either we have a 5 in the 6th position, which is here, or we have a 6 in the 5th position, which is here. Hopefully that makes sense. So the positioning of the clue does matter. So if these both placed a 5, they'd have to agree. So I'm sort of giving away here that these don't both place a 5, because the 5, 6 here would put a 5 here, and the 2, 5 here would put a 5 here. So one of these is placing a 2 or a 6. I don't think that's where to start the puzzle. So, but hopefully that helps clarify how these constraints work. So yeah, there's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. All right, and I am going to start where I said. So because we can't put a 2 in the 5th position here, there's already a 1 there. So we have to do the opposite. We have to put a 5 in the 2nd position. And this one here also, you can't put a 6 in the 2nd position. There's a 1 there. So we have to put a 2 in the 6th position, which is here. And I'm gonna mark in purple any cell or cells to. Actually, can I X out corners? I can. I'm gonna X out the side next to any completed clue so that we can keep track of which ones we haven't done yet. And if you don't know how to do that, if you open up our options here at the very, very top, there's enable pen tool. You'll want to turn that on. You can enable it. And then you get, you don't see that on my capture here, but you get a 5th pen tool option where you can choose a color, and then you can do all sorts of things. You can draw lines on the grid. And you can put X's and O's in cells just by clicking it, and you can put X's in between cells like this, including on the edge. So very, very useful for a lot of things, especially if you're doing pencil puzzles. I am going to finish this row because I think it might help. We need 3, 4, and 6 here. So this one is saying we're either going to put a 1 in the 6th position, which is here, or a 6 in the 1st position, which is here. So I don't think that does anything yet. Okay, here we either need a 1 in the 6th position. We can't do that, actually. This 1 is doing a lot of work. So we're going to put a 6 in the 1st position. We're going to put a 6 here. So this can't be 6 anymore. If that can't be 6 anymore, we're not putting 6 in the 1st position. So to finish this clue, we need to put 1 in the 6th position. And now this clue is done. And these are from 1, 3, 4. We can place the 1. Very nice. 3, 4 pair. So what is this? This is 2, 5, 6. Okay, what's next? We do have these 2 1s, so 1's one of these 2. All right, let's go through the clues. We need to put either a 1 in the 4th position or a 4 in the 1st position. Oh, that's cool. Do you see it? We either need a 1 here or a 4 here. So can this be a 1? And the answer is no. If this was a 1, it would prevent us from putting a 1 here, and it would prevent us from putting a 4 here. The other way to see that is a 4 here means it can't be 1. A 1 here means that can't be 1. So no matter what, this isn't a 1, and we can place this 1. That's really cool. This isn't actually done yet, though. We still need to put a 4 here or a 1 here, so we're not going to mark it. How about this one? We're either putting a 2 in the 5th position, or 5 in the 2nd position. Well, we're not putting a 5 in the 2nd position. There's a 5 here. So we are going to put a 2 in the 5th position. And then we're going to mark this done. Let's look on this side. We're either going to put a 5 in the 6th position. That's not going to happen. So let's put a 6 in the 5th position. That resolves all of these digits, and we can mark this done. I'm going to skip to this one because it's identical. So in this case, we are going to put a 5 in the 6th position because now we can't put a 6 in the 5th position. So they ended up opposite, which actually they would have to, right? If you think about it a little bit, these two clues can't be denoting the same thing. They have to be opposites. So that one's done. How about 3 and 4? So either, yeah, we're not putting 4 in the 3rd position. There's a 1 there. What's with the 1s blocking it? So let's put a 3 in the 4th position. That looks up. We can mark this done. Okay, we still have to do this one. It still doesn't seem possible to do. At least not yet. To disambiguate, that is. We have a bunch of 3, 4s. This is 2, 3, 4. All right, I bet there's just Sudoku to do. And then this clue. One's in one of these. Oh, we haven't done this clue. What's this clue saying? Just noticed it. 4 in the 5th position. Oh, we're not doing 5 in the 4th position. So we're going to do 4 in the 5th position. That resolves all of these. Nice. All right. So it seems like just keeping track of which clues you've done so far is pretty key in this puzzle. I'm glad I decided to do so. All right, here we need a 3 and a 4. We know the order because of this 3. Here we need the 1, 6, and 5. Oh, actually, let's just finish these first. Easy pickings. Is this one done? Oh, this one just finished itself. So it did its job already. We have a 4 in the 1st position. Okay, so it should just be Sudoku now. I need a 2 and a 6. Here I need a 1 and a 5. Not resolved. Oops. We'll resolve it in a second. 1, 6, 5. So the 6 goes here. 5 and the 1. There, that does resolve it. And then here we need 2, 3, and 5. So 2, 3, 5. Nice. Very cool puzzle, Awesome Sauce. I think my favorite was this 1, 4. I don't know if that was needed to make progress or not. Maybe I was just missing something else, but just working my way around the clues, it worked out. Oh, I didn't mark this one. There is a 6 in the 1st position, so we are good there. Oh, I think I did do it. I just didn't mark it off. Just missed that, but that's okay. Cool. Very cool puzzle. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.